Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change your voice on Snapchat. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open your Snapchat app and tap on this emoji icon and tap on explore to the bottom right corner and tap on this search box and type here voice changer. And here you will get lots of voice changer effects, so you can select any of them. I'm going to selecting this baby voice changer, so I'm going to tapping on this, and now I'm capturing a snap here. Hello, hello, hello. So I'm going to turning up my volume level. So as you can see, I've successfully changed my voice. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.